Very good morning, all of you. Today I will discuss other examples from the chapter Derivative as a Rate Measurer. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 cm per second and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per second. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle when the length x is 12 cm and the width y is 5 cm. X length, y is width of the rectangle. Let P be the perimeter and A be the area of the rectangle at any time t. Then perimeter of the rectangle P equals 2 whole into x plus y and area of the rectangle equals x into y. It is given that dx by dt, rate of change of the length of the rectangle with respect to time t is minus 2 cm per second and dy by dt equals 2 cm per second. Length of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 cm per second and width of the rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per second. Now P equals 2 whole into x plus y. Here differentiate both sides with respect to time t implies d by dt of p equals d by dt of 2 whole into x plus y equals 2 whole into d by dt of x dx by dt, d by dt of y dy by dt equals 2 whole into dx by dt has given minus 2 cm per second plus dy by dt has given 2 cm per second equals 2 into 0 equals 0 cm per second. That is, the perimeter remain constant. Again, area of the rectangle equals x into y. Differentiate both sides with respect to t, dA by dt equals d by dt of xy equals x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. This equals x into dy by dt is 2 cm per second into 2 plus y into dx by dt minus 2 equals 2x minus 2y. rate of change of area with respect to time t equals 2x minus 2y square centimeter per second. When the length x equals 12 centimeter and the width equals 5 centimeter, therefore dy by dA by dt at x equals to 12, y equals to 5 is equals 2 into 12 minus 2 into 5 equals 24 minus 10 equals 14 square centimeter per second. Other example, a man 2 meters high walks at a uniform speed of 6 meters per minute away from a lamppost 5 meters high. Find the rate at which the length of his shadow increases. A man 2 meters high walk at a uniform speed of 6 meters per minute away from a lamppost 5 meters high. Find the rate at which the length of his shadow increases. Let AB be the lamppost having 5 meters high. Let at any time t the man CD is 2 meters high, be at a distance x meters from the lamppost, and y meters be the length of his shadow. This CE is the shadow of the man CD. Let AB be the lamppost. Let any time t the man CD be at a distance x meters from the lamppost, and the y meters be the length of his shadow. It is given that dx by dt equals 6 meters per minute. Now, when you will compare triangle ABE and CDE by AA similarity, triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE by AA similarity. If triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE, then AB by CD equals AE by CE. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by CD equals AE by CE. AB equals 5 by 2, CD equals 2, equals AE AC plus CE by CE, implies 5 by 2 equals AC is X, CE is Y, 5 by 2 equals X plus Y by Y, implies 5Y equals 2X plus 2Y, implies 3Y equals 2X. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. Now d by dt of 3y equals d by dt of 2x, implies 3 dy by dt equals 2 dx by dt, implies 3 dy by dt equals 2 into dx by dt, 6 meter per minute. So 2 into 6 equals 12, implies dy by dt equals 4. Thus, the shadow increases at the rate of 4 meter per minute. If the displacement s of a particle moving in a straight line at time t is given by s equals ft, if the displacement s of a particle moving in a straight line at time t is given by s equals ft, then velocity at time t, velocity at time t equals ds by dt, and also acceleration at time t equals dv by dt. This equals d by dt of ds by dt. V equals ds by dt, dv by dt equals d by dt of ds by dt equals d square s by dt square. So velocity at time t equals ds by dt, and acceleration at time t equals d square s by dt square. When a particle moving in a straight line, when a particle moving in a straight line comes to rest, we have ds by dt equals 0, and also d square s by dt square equals 0. Again, when a particle moving in a straight line in instantaneous at rest, when a particle moving in a straight line is instantaneous at rest, we have ds by dt equals 0, but acceleration d square s by dt square not equals to 0.